Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the waves filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you are not finding the filter here in trending section, you can tap on this search bar and here you can search for waves, and then also you will find the effect. Okay, just tap on it. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect either like this, then what you can do, go to your home screen, go to search and search for waves filter. Okay, on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from the search, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.